Hello kids, let's learn some colors and shapes. Yellow color, red color, sky blue color, brown color, light pink color, purple color, light green color, black color, orange color, blue color, dark green color, dark pink color. This is blue color. Let's draw the shape. Kite. Crescent. Sun. Sun. Left side arrow. Pentagon. Circle. Red color. Kite. Kite. Red color. Brown color. Crescent. Crescent. Brown color. Yellow color. Sun. Sun. Red color. Sun. Red color. Light green color. Left side arrow. Green color. Orange color. Pentagon. Pentagon. Orange color. Light pink color. Circle. 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 Light pink color. Red color. brown color, yellow color, red color, light green color, orange color, light pink color. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.